Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA, CDL NEPA here on YouTube. Today we're doing another product from Muslogy. I've done several of their products in the past and their products have really held up over the last couple of years on my 2022 Ford Maverick. Today we're going to be doing an interior carbon fiber kit. I'll show you what's in the kit. This is a 14-piece kit made of ABS plastic. This is the carbon fiber set. It's for your air vents, your steering wheel, your controls. I'm not sure this is going to work on the 25s because of that. It's a little different. You have your center part where your shift knob and your cup holders are. And of course in the blast you have your sets for both doors. I'm going to go out and get set up with this now. I'm going to start installing. All right, folks, this kit does not come with installation instructions. You're going to have to figure it out on your own. It's basically taping this stuff to your panels that you're covering up. The only thing you're going to need, they don't include alcohol pads. I highly recommend you clean everything with an alcohol pad. I went through the whole truck already and cleaned all my panels and everything anyway because they needed to be cleaned. What you're going to want to make sure you get any oily residue off so the tape sticks. And I like to have a little razor blade or something. Sometimes it's kind of hard on some of these two-sided tape applications to get the backing tape off or whatever. But I always do that just in case I need it. I have a razor blade and I have an actual whole box of those. I clean up all the panels. I'm not going to record every bit of this install. I just think it's a waste of time to do that. I'm just going to show you a before and after install and tell you how I feel about it. You can start off on whatever panel you want. I'm going to start off on these first. Before taking the tape off, I'm just going to go through and I will make sure these actually sit where they're supposed to before I pull them off. That one fits in there really nice. Like I said, these are ABS plastic. These will cover up the just plain black basically. And the other panels are going to be like down in there. And your door panels, like I said, that's going to cover up there and there. This is where I think the 25s are different. So I don't know if this is going to work for the 25s or not, because I think 25s eliminated this piece here. So this should work for 22 to 24 models. All right, folks, one thing I recommend as I'm working on this too, make sure you get everything lined up good, especially when it comes to being around your controls. Make sure your controls are still fully functional. You're not blocking anything. These pieces are fitting in there perfectly fine. I still have a couple pieces left to do, but before you push down on any of these and have them finally sit in there, make sure everything's where it's supposed to be and all your controls are where they're going to go work still. Works great. All right, folks, the whole kit is installed. Really, the hardest job is just prepping it and pulling the tape off, the backing of the tape. But take your time. Make sure you do this on a warm day. As I said, it's sunny out today, finally. But I really like the way this kit came out. I showed you all the pictures. Make sure you take your time doing it. Like I said, it's not something you got to rush to do. I think it's a great product. I feel like it's going to protect these surfaces a lot more. You know, some of the Ford plastics are definitely recycled plastics, and of course, being a cheaper vehicle, tend to get scratched. These are a good way to protect those areas, and maybe if you already have a truck that's already getting scratched up, buy one of these kits. The plastic feels really good. It's like I said, these are made out of ABS plastic. I feel like the surface looks a lot better than the plastic that's already in the Ford. The fit and finish of these are outstanding. I mean, it's just like it came from the factory this way. Like I said, I've done plenty of stuff for Muslogy before, and all of their products fit in this truck perfect. And they really did their R&D on this stuff. I think it should hold up. Time will tell with that, of course. But anything else I've done for Muslogy's held up over the last couple of years. I've done videos for them. One thing I think I would like them to do is for the two top vents for the defroster. I wouldn't mind seeing a 16-piece kit. Like I said, that wouldn't probably cost them that much more to maybe add a couple carbon fiber things for that. Or they also have the brown wood and the black wood finish too if you don't like carbon fiber. Those are all on Amazon. I think right now the price is $139 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They do have a spring sale going on as I'm doing this video, and I think it's under $100. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll put that link in the description. I've done a lot of products for Muslogy in the past. This is one I've been waiting to do for 2 years, and they finally sent it to me. I love it. As I said, I think this is the biggest thing I've done for them that I really enjoyed putting in here. It took me a little bit longer than my average video for them, so one thing I would like to see Muslogy do, and I know they watch my videos after I do the installs, I would like a replacement piece for that orange part where your phone sits in the center console. That's very scratched up. That's probably the worst spot in my truck after 70,000 miles. And that's just where my cell phone's been putting it in and out of there, folks. It's scratched up really bad. I don't know. It'd be a nice spot to have something else in there, Muslogy. Thanks for watching. I'll have more products to install on my Maverick soon. Bye for now.